take this opportunity on behalf of His Excellency, the President, to welcome all of you to the regional workshop of the ACE Impact being held here in the Gambia, the Smiley Coast of Africa.
It really feels great to be here with you all once again to celebrate our successes and explore sustainable solutions to the project's challenges.
As a member state of ECOWAS, the Gambia is not only pleased to participate in this important regional event, but also grateful and happy to partner with the World Bank through ECOWAS.
ACE project is probably one of the biggest World Bank investments in education in Africa, arguably the most successful one at it. And the project is basically supporting the production of high-quality students.
The ACE projects are a great model for leveraging regional approaches for promoting a quality, innovative, sustainable, and collaborative higher education sector in Africa, complementing the national efforts. These projects have successfully served as a regional platform to form multidisciplinary networks that address some of Africa's most pressing development challenges, and through highly relevant research in sectors such as health, climate change, food security, ICT, renewable energy, water, and sustainable mining.
The theme for this 8th regional workshop is innovation and entrepreneurship, and I'm exceptionally enthused about the opportunity to contribute to such important discussions. Innovation and entrepreneurship remain pressing priorities today to maximize the potentials of Africa's most precious resource, that is the human capital.
We were able to recognize the students that are being trained in the internationally accredited programs being implemented by the centers in various countries, and these students have really showcased their research technologies, and 15 of them were given awards.
We have centers that are making great impact, whether it's around coastal resilience, renewable energy, ICT in health, ICT in agriculture, ICT in education. When it comes to the health side, infectious diseases, we have the whole gamut, agriculture, food security. So they are doing quite a lot and making a lot of impact, and we've seen that come to fruition.
We promoted networking, we promoted interaction, lesson sharing, but also supporting the centers with their implementation bottlenecks in various areas like social safeguards, procurement, M&D, and others. So as we close today, we go back home being very satisfied that we achieved all the expected outputs of the workshop.
The knowledge and experiences shared, solutions proffered, and partnership established during the period will go a long way in supporting individual participating countries in their development drive.
As we have seen globally, if it's done right, investments in skills development at both the pre-tertiary and tertiary levels and capacity building in research have the potential to yield tremendous development benefits across various sectors, and to lift not only individuals but entire nations out of poverty.
We highly appreciate such regional initiative as the ACE Impact Project. The continent needs support for our respective national priority needs. Through the Centers of Excellence, we can do a lot towards delivering the African continent we need and dream to develop.
Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record a hearty thanks to AAU and the local organizing committee for the logistical support and guidance extended to all of us at this workshop.